Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to open some cases. And guys, in this video you can get absolutely free 2 diamonds. How you can get, let me enter on Fun CS2 website, and here we can upgrade various type of gun skins. Let's go. Here is a limited time reward where you can get free 2 diamonds or free $2 absolutely free by you can open some cases also. It is a very simple task. First you have to bind your referral code which is in description. You can get bind your email id and bind stream trade url by which you can get up to 2 diamond absolutely free. And let's go. And guys, absolutely you can get up to 10% deposit bonus by just using my referral link, so make sure to use if you are going to use this website. Let's go. Opening the cases. First of all, let's go with the $60. Let's go one more time. Can I hit some more skins? Let's go with the exclusive one. Let's go guys. I got Shadow Dragger. Let's go. Opening one more time. Let's go with the 5x this time. Let's go, let's go, let's go guys. It's a very lucky day to me. Let's go again, same. Let's go with one more time guys. Okay, we can go for the next case. We can, let's go. You can guys comment me what next case should I open in this video, so I can try to open that case in next video. And guys, you can also join my Discord server where you can get free promo code absolutely free. The daily giveaway is going on there, so make sure to join. Let's go. Let's go guys. Knife 50% win. Let's go. Can I get some beautiful knives? Can I? Let's go, let's go. Okay, ops are there. Let's go with one more time. 5x. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Hit the knife. There is a 50% chances. Let's go. One more time. Okay, trying one more last time with a 2x. Can I hit? Okay, so let's go guys. I hit a one Shadow Dragger lower. Let's go. Opening more cases we get. Here are various type of cases available where you can check it out later. Link in description. Let's go with M30 30%. Let's go with 5x. Can I get Prim Stream? Let's go guys, 4 times. Let's go. It's a huge profit for me. Let's go with 1x one more time. Let's go guys. We are in almost 2x profit. Let's go. Upgrading more cases. There are n number of cases available. Let's go with this. We can go with this. Okay, let's go with 5x. The 50% knife. Let's go guys. Here I got 4 knives, like you can also get. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Opening one more time. 5x. Let's go. This time I got 3 knives. Beautiful. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Can I get more profit? The more epic one is waiting for me. Let's go. Guys, join the Discord server for the giveaway. Guys, Fun CS2 also provide us for upgrade the skins. So let's go. We are trying for the first of all. Let's go with 2x. Let's go. There is 45% average chances to success rate. Can I get this skin? Let's go. Okay, my hair was. Let's go. Trying one more time. Okay, let's go guys for the second time. Can I hit the hand drops gloves? Let's go. Let's go. There is 45% success rate, and let's go. This time I won the case. Let's go. Upgrading this case. Let's go. We can upgrade the double skins. Let's go. And guys, you can also easily redeem this to your main account. Let's go with 2x one more time with the 38%. Let's go. I guess I'm the winner. Let's go, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like this video,